Indonesia Raya guys. Yuk bisa yuk, ayo strike. Ya tapi pemain-pemain diaspora ya udah hafal bahasa Indonesia semua loh guys. Kecuali yang baru gabung ya kayak Carl Smith doang gitu-gitu. Martin pas saya udah tadi bisa dikit-dikit loh kelasnya.
Can Indonesia build on that point in Jeddah by upsetting the Socceroos, still smarting themselves from Thursday. Home form has been decent here. They've won 3 of their 4 qualifiers at home, keeping clean sheets in 3 of them. Well, Indonesia make a couple of changes to the starting 11 against Saudi Arabia. The goalkeeper and back 4 remain the same. Wolves midfielder Justin Hübner replaces Tom Hay in the centre of midfield. The other tweak sees Marcelino Ferdinand come in for Witan Suleiman. Ragnar Oramangoen keeps his place on the wing after his goal in Jeddah on Thursday. It was just his second in the international jersey of Indonesia. Just the one loss here in qualifying so far. 2-0 by Iraq, 2-0 against the Philippines in their last home game. It is an improvement. They have lost 7 successive home World Cup qualifiers until the current campaign in Indonesia. Refereeing team hails from Qatar. Salman Ahmad Falahi is the man in the middle. Conversation there with Matt Ryan, the Australian goalkeeper and captain. Jay Itzes wields the armband for Indonesia. For on-pitch officials from Qatar, as is the VAR team. With Cassini Yengi suspended, Graham Arnold is always going to have to make some changes for Australia, but the act has certainly been swung as the Socceroos make 5 changes in all from the team that started the defeat to Bahrain. Cameron Burgess is brought into the defence and Keanu Bacchus into the centre of midfield. Having drawn a blank though last time out, Craig Goodwin keeps his place in the forward line. He's the only one that does though, with Silvera, Duke and Iran Kunda all brought in. Match routines for both sets of players, both in huddles. The message is loud and clear from the Indonesia supporters. All places available, of course, with a 48-team World Cup in the North Americas. Such a competitive section. Still very, very difficult to make it through for for Indonesia. Made a good start though. Nothing like the confidence boost of that draw in Saudi Arabia. Now the next big test for a double away trip in October to face Bahrain and China for Indonesia. Just about ready for kickoff.
Kick off udah dimulai. Punya aku agak telat ya by the way ya. Kalau kalian nonton di TV lebih cepat. Bisa yuk. Cuaon langsung. Sandy. Emak. Bisa. Shoot. Wih. Wih. Kelas.
Sandy Walsh. The brightest of starts from the home team. Socceroos sleeping from kickoff. I think Matt Ryan will probably feel he could have done better. He carried the ball straight out to Rafael Strike. The angle wasn't favourable though for the Indonesian forward, and it's a corner. Asking for the ball. Bodies into the Australian penalty area early on for the home team.
Corner. Balik ke Walsh. Cross. Aduh. Walsh naik bolanya.
To feed the ball in. Time for a bit of pitch repair as well before.
Rumputnya jelek guys yang GBK-nya. Jadi crossingnya nggak masuk jadinya.
Now he's been in charge since 2020. Followed on from Simon McMenemy, who was relieved of his duties.
Jenner, Marcel, Ragnar, balik ke Marcel.
And finds a bit of space. And another corner for Indonesia.
Kelas.
Weren't up for this before kickoff. They certainly are now. There's talk of a low block from Indonesia, but they've started very much on the front foot here.
Hubner, bisa Hubner.
It says it's in there. Verdonk and Rido forward. The back five. Delivery this time. Away, but as far as Rido to swing across it again. Australia just can't get out at the moment.
Corner lagi. Udah corner ke berapa ini? Ketiga ya?
It's been in charge since 2018.
Bisa ya.
Australia to the 2022 World Cup and to two Asian Cups, 2019 and earlier this year.
Alvin, Verdonk.
For international himself, Graham Arnold. 6 caps for Australia. Hubner being closely watched by Irvin. Kelvin Verdonk. The outswinging corner.
Aduh, sayang.
Through to Rido in the end.
Hati-hati.
Australia finally have a bit of possession.
Santai, balikin.
3 minutes into the contest.
Jauh, mantap.
In pace. Sending it forwards. Tara Burgess in each other's way for a second there. Forward by Burgess.
Kejauhan. J tutup. Mantap J. Bang J.
For the away side to play in. Needs to see a big improvement from his team, Graham Arnold. They saw the opening game on the Gold Coast. The extra places available at the World Cup now for all the federations. Safety net if they don't make it into the top two of the next round, and even then the intercontinental playoffs. nations in the AFC don't make it through, they will only have themselves to blame now. It's Burgess.
Press.
Really pensive start from Australia. Indonesia keen not to
Hati-hati tengah.
Australia settle into their stride early. That's cleared away by Itzes. Edge now with the throw for Australia.
Kontrol.
There, though, the Indonesian captain.
Sit.
Actually forward, looking for the run of Morat Goen. He feels he was fouled, and so does most of the stadium here. Chokati. The pace. Turned away from Rakunda. Brought in on the left side, Silvera on the right. It's Duke, a new addition to the forward line. Played on the left against Bahrain, expected. Rino with the foot in.
Marcel.
With the header down.
Aduh, Marcel.
Frantic pace to the game in the opening moments. Burgess. Flag up on the far side. Indonesia keeping their shape well and catching Australia offside.
Panas guys HP gue, paling bentar lagi aku stop live. HP gue panas beneran ini. Nanti ya kita live yang sebenarnya nanti ya.
Indonesian goalkeeper.
Aduh.
America these days for FC Dallas in MLS.
Counter. Counter. Ragnar. Walsh.
With his arms out down there, as if to say, how's Walsh got so much space? But he has. Australia getting back in numbers now, though. Here's Rido. Touchdown to Joan On. Joan again. Strike. Confidence about Indonesia in possession here. Now they have a free kick. Which was late. Card here for Craig Goodwin, or just a talking to. No, the card is out.
Kartu kuning gak tuh? Kita live bentar ya guys, bentar lagi kita beres. Karena kenapa? Karena HP-nya panas. Aduh, sakit.
Absolutely spot on with the yellow card. Walking the tightrope now. City Yankee sent off the Portsmouth forward. Lost to Bahrain, suspended for this one. Rido.
Yuk, mantap. Aduh, bisa.
Pick a pass. Here's Ferdinand.
Aduh, jauh banget Marcelino. Aduh. Out.
Claiming that was out of play. Agreed.
Sayang. Sejauh ini possession kita lebih banyak sih ini
Here's Rido.
daripada Australia.
4 of their last 10 games at home, 5 defeats. Indonesia, Iran, Libya twice, and Argentina who won here 2-0. Victors in that run of 10 games.
Gila, Australia dikandangin sama Indo, guys.
Friendlies and qualification matches. Back to Martin
Duh,
Paes.
67% possession kita.
And that's 67% of the ball, Indonesia. In the opening 11 minutes.
Australia 33% doang.
Kunda. Back to Burgess. Kunda. Flick off to Irvin.
Hati-hati. Kosong tengah.
His way into the
Oke,
penalty area.
aman. Mantap, Calvin Verdong.
Silvera.
Kenapa pause? Oh, tadi ada kasih pause, sorry, enggak notice. Thank you.
Just gonna ride out the early storm. Australia,
Semoga
from their point of view,
HP-nya masih bisa bertahan
into the
sampai
contest.
babak pertama selesai.
Ryan forced into a double save in the opening minute of the contest.
Di NUS rame nggak?
He's picked
Rame
up a
dong.
yellow card with the corner. He suits
corner.
forward. It's a real threat given his height. Set piece.
Dijaga.
Centre back.
Hati.
Did again.
Goal kick. Mantap.
Duke got something on it. His touch was off a defender. Referee doesn't agree. It's going to be a goal kick for Indonesia. Trying to get across his marker. Well, have come off the dot, the last touch. Hayes has it. It's his international debut, the draw against Saudi Arabia. His place again. It's the 26, Martin Paes. MLS in 2022 from Utrecht. The Dutch contingent, he was born in
Ijaz,
Nijmegen.
mantap. Ijaz kelas.
Defensively, Netherlands up to under 21 level. As he's bench with the throw for Australia. Such a nil with Risky Rido.
Aduh, ini pemain Australia apa sih jatuh mulu.
Oh, in fact it was. Bedge can take the throw. Came short. To the box towards
Jadi.
Irvin. Cross.
Mantap Verdong.
An opening there.
Clear.
Just did enough to block off Chakati as he was about to pull the trigger. Between these two, but a foul by Chakati. He's capped today for Australia. It's from Parma in Italy. He's actually born in Fidenza in Italy. He's capped for the Azzarini, the under-20s.
Marcel, dapetin bolanya.
Silvera went for the return. It's a free kick for Australia. It's Duke fouled. Seconds piece on the ball.
Kipernya.
Suter.
Pras kipernya.
Ryan to Burgess. To the defence today. Cameron Burgess. Moves on to double figures now for Caps, the Ipswich Town centre back.
Marcel.
In this World Cup qualifying campaign. We've now got 0-0. Now that this team has ridden out that early storm, they're beginning to see more ball now, Australia. It says, it's away under pressure from Duke. Chakati's header. They're on by Burgess. An Australian throw. Chakati with it. Too many options for him. Iran could came short. To go long instead to Jackson Irvine, who made the run. They're out by Itzes. With Silvera.
Strike.
It's a good turn by Strike. And by Chakati. Then given away.
Ya elah, umpan apa itu?
Indonesia charge forwards.
Sayang.
A little bit too much gusto though that time. Suter. Suter still reeling from that own goal winner for Bahrain on Thursday, but he was one of Australia's goal scorers in that 4-0 win against Indonesia in the Asian Cup in January. It's a good record actually, with 11 goals, 31 appearances from centre-back, 2 in this qualifying campaign. Coming against Palestine. Away by Rido. Australian throw. Bacchus. Silvera.
Mantap.
To come on the
Awesome.
inside.
Jati, di shoot.
Read it. He's going to be as centre back in a back three or even left back. Calvin Verdon. It's NEC Nijmegen in the Netherlands. Full start from the corner.
Ini tinggi banget nih orang Australia ini. Gila, yang nomor 19 tinggi banget, guys.
Two centre backs. Contest in terms of height, but Suter particularly tall. Good one to deliver.
Jati.
Swinger again,
Mantap.
headed away by Walsh.
Ragnar.
Too much about it. I think it came off the back of his head. Is Keanu
Hati.
Bacchus.
Mantap, Verdon. Aduh.
Nice ball. It's fallen for the shot. Blocked away by Hubner. Australia back in possession with Irvine. Whips the ball across again.
Martin Pas, kelas Martin Pas, gila. Ya ampun.
Looked as though it was going to be blocked initially. The power on the shot took it through, and Martin Paes was there to make the save.
Hampir aja.
It's a real spell of concerted pressure from Australia. It was good work from Irvine and Harry Suter running onto it.
Hampir aja. Ini juga, kalau nggak diblok gila itu gol itu.
John tried to get himself in the way of it, but
Hati-hati. Jangan terlalu dalam.
he could do to deny Suter, but there was from Martin Paes.
Gak ada yang jaga.
Irvine again. Jenner with the challenge, and another Australian corner. And it's the best spell of the game so far for the visitors. Certainly their best chance. To Suter, who found a way through the two Indonesian defenders who were closing him down. From Paes, who was busy in Saudi Arabia. By Silvera.
Goal kick. Aduh, pamer
Another
lagi.
corner. goal, can Australia? Their best moment of the first half so far. Graham Arnold will certainly be hoping so. It's coming again from Craig Goodwin, the in-swinger towards the penalty spot.
Hati.
Burgess both in there.
Bahaya. Ih.
Header down is beaten
Ya
away by
ampun.
pace. A chance again for Harry Suter.
Tanggal 19 nih bahaya banget sih. Gak dijaga, gak dijaga.
All over the place,
Ya.
the delivery from Goodwin. Suter was always going to get on the end of it. Had a good look at it as well. He was way above Jay Insets. He's across to make the save. Goodwin again. Defending for Indonesia.
Mantap. Ragnar, ya kejauhan kontrolnya.
Going. Beaten to it though by Irakunda. Australia keep possession.
Gak bisa yuk.
In good form this year. This is the 12th game of 2024. They've won 8, lost 2 and drawn 1 of the previous 11. The defeat to Bahrain on Thursday ended a run of 4 straight wins without conceding a goal. They've been pretty tight defensively as well. It's Verdonk. Let's qualify for Australia home to China on the 10th of October and then a big trip to Saitama to face Japan. Behic.
Press aja udah.
Burgess.
Hati-hati, J, ayo J. Oh bisa J.
It's across.
Ih, kelas.
Pressure from Duke. It's Jenner. Jenner out to
Aduh.
strike. So back to Matt Ryan. Backus. Burgess to